All right, here we go, guys. We got elimination level 3 in Delta Math. They word the question like this: solve the system of equations negative x minus y equals 6 and 5x minus 7y equals 66 by combining the equations. Now, this is written horizontally, and we're not used to seeing it that way, really. So, what I'm going to tell you guys to do is to stack the equations first so you see it the way that you have seen the ones before, like this. This is this exact same problem that was on the previous page, but I stacked it, and now I think it's a little bit easier to decide what to do. And of course, we have options. When we look at this equation or these equations, I could multiply by -7 to make a positive 7y here and have opposite coefficients. But I think it looks even easier just to multiply by 5 on the bottom here to make a negative 5x. So that's what I'll do. And that bottom equation will become negative 5x minus 5y and equals 30. Now we will combine the two equations, the top equations, and what the new look of the bottom equation is. The x's will disappear. Negative 7y and negative 5y is negative 12y. And that equals 66 plus 30 is 96. Divide by that exact coefficient of negative 12. And we get y equals negative 8. So we know our y is negative 8 in our point of intersection, our coordinate that we're looking for. And let's go ahead and just put that into the top equation. Negative 8 is our y, so we'll copy this equation exactly as written, substituting negative 8 in for y, just like that. Solve for x without making any silly errors along the way. Solve this two-step equation, and the numbers come out nice and even again for us. X is 2. Our point of intersection is at 2, negative 8.